Never take asset protection out of the builder's scope. This is Let's Learn Building, a series where you learn the process of building your dream home. Before your build starts, make sure the builder takes out asset protection where they will pay a bond to the council. This covers all the council's property. When the job is done, the council will check. If there's damage on their property, then the builder has to fix it or forfeit their bond. If you pay the bond, then you're going to be the one who has to pay for it to be fixed. You're not going to be able to fix it yourself, so you're going to end up having to pay someone to fix it. So make sure to keep that in the builder's scope.